Welcome to our introduction video of our Order Manager solution from CRM Dynamics Limited. Order Manager sits in the middle of three modules that make up our total solutions for CPQ and manufacturing. The three modules are Quote Manager CPQ, Order Manager, and Stock and Purchasing. Order Manager works seamlessly with Quote Manager to manage the creation of quotes, orders, and invoices. Order Manager also includes a recurring billing capability to manage the billing of monthly, quarterly, and annual products, and when married with our Stock and Purchasing solution, also controls the manufacturing build process, asset management, and dispatching. From a one quote, we can create one or multiple orders. There are many reasons why this is useful. For example, to support a phased rollout of a project, for delivering to multiple addresses, or for delivering items at different times due to stock shortages. From our quotation, we can see we've got the product lines, bill to, ship to address, shipping information, financial summary, etc. We can then close the quote as one, and this will then allow us to create orders from this quote. We simply click on the New Order button. It will copy forward the billing address and the shipping address, and upon saving, it will go and collect all of the quote lines and add them to the order. At this point then, we can modify the order because we don't want to ship certain items in this particular order. So we can delete certain lines, or we can actually split quantities by simply over-typing the quantity with the quantity we want for this order. Within Order Management, we can set different statuses, so prepare is required if we want to manufacture items, but here we simply want to dispatch the items, so that tells the warehouse they can go and pick those items, and once they've been picked, they can notify the system that the order has been dispatched. Here you can see we created a second order from the same quote, and the items we deleted previously and the split item we added here have now been copied over to the order. So we can now see that the same quote has two orders associated with it. From a completed order, we can simply create the invoice, which will pull all the line item details across. This can then be sent out to your customer as an invoice. The other alternative is to upload the transactions using our transaction table, and then we can export this to CSV for import to your finance system, or you can attach one of many third-party add-ons to upload and integrate into various finance systems such as Xero, QuickBooks, or Sage. Order Manager also manages the invoicing of recurring billed products such as software licenses, subscriptions, maintenance, telecoms rentals, and so on. From the completed order, monthly, quarterly, or annually billed items are copied into the billing table. From here, invoices can be raised on a regular basis, such as your monthly billing period. Invoices are generated so that each customer will get a single bill containing all of their items. Alternatively, these items can also be uploaded into your billing system via a CSV upload. Order Manager also calculates part-month additions and removals of products such as licenses. The solution is totally configurable to meet your specific billing needs.